Hello students, how are you? Hope you all are fine. In our previous lecture, we have started our chapter number 2, that is nutrition in animals. And today we are going to discuss what nutrition in unicellular animals. Okay. So the first question arises that what are unicellular animals? So students, here uni means a single, cellular means a cell. That means unicellular animals are those animals whose body is made up of only one cell. That means a single cell. And today we will discuss nutrition in two unicellular animals. One is amoeba and second is paramecium. See students, this is the diagram for what? Amoeba. Okay. This is the diagram of amoeba. Amoeba is what? A unicellular organism that lives where? In the pond water and eats plants and animals that are present in the pond water. And one thing special about amoeba is that amoeba is not having any fixed shape. That means amoeba can change its shape. And also on the body of amoeba, there are present finger-like projections. And these finger-like projections are known as what? Pseudopodia. Okay. And see how amoeba take its food and digest its food. See what happen. When any food particles come near to the amoeba, then amoeba produces what? Finger-like projections. That means a pseudopodia and surrounds this food particle. That means both the pseudopodia join around the food particle and trap the food particle along with a little water, forming what? A food vacuole. And this food vacuole will act like a temporary stomach for the amoeba. And the food will digested in the food vacuole. How? The enzymes will act on the food vacuole and in the food present in the food vacuole and just convert or break the food particles into simple substances. And after then the digested food is absorbed in the body of the amoeba. And after then the amoeba will get energy from that absorbed food and start growing. And next, when a considerable amount of undigested food collects inside the body of amoeba, this cell membrane ruptures. That means broken. It can take place from any side of the amoeba. Then the undigested food is thrown out. So this is how nutrition take place in amoeba. And the next students, we have to discuss about what? Paramecium. About what? Paramecium. Okay. See, this is the diagram of what? Paramecium. See how nutrition take place in paramecium. Here we are seeing this hair-like structure. This is known as what? Cilia. And this cilia is present on this layer and this is known as what? Cell membrane. First of all, with the help of this cilia, the food is taken where? Through the cell membrane inside this oral groove. And after then from the oral groove to the mouth of the paramecium. And after then from the mouth the food is taken inside where? Food vacuole. And inside food vacuole again the same steps are taken place that we have discussed in case of amoeba. Inside food vacuoles, what will happen? The food get digested with the help of enzymes, and after then it is absorbed, assimilated, and undigested food is thrown out of the body. So this is all about our today's lecture. Now I am going to show you question answers that you have to do. See, first question is how do amoeba and paramecium get their nutrition? Second, you have to draw labeled diagrams of amoeba and paramecium. So have a nice day. Goodbye.